Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your iGPSport device. First, ensure your device is fully charged, and then power it on by pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds. Next, grab your smartphone and download the official iGPSport app, available on both iOS and Android app stores. Once installed, open the app and either create a new user account or log in if you already have one. This initial step is crucial for seamless integration. Now, let's pair your iGPSport device with the app. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. This allows the app to find your device. Open the iGPSport app and look for the Device or My Devices section, usually found in the main menu. The app will then scan for nearby iGPSport devices. Select your specific model from the list that appears and confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the device if prompted. This connection is vital for data synchronization. Another excellent option is to remotely play The Sims 4 from your own personal computer. Applications such as Steam Link or other remote desktop software enable this. Your iPad and PC must be connected to the same local network, ideally via a strong Wi-Fi signal. Remember, your computer needs to be powered on and running the game for this method to work seamlessly. Finally, let's talk about connecting sensors and syncing your data. If you have external sensors, such as a heart rate monitor or speed and cadence sensors, you can pair them through the device's settings or the app. Make sure automatic data synchronization is enabled in the app settings so your ride data uploads seamlessly after each activity. You can then review all your performance metrics and activity history directly within the iGPSport application, tracking your progress over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.